So I think the one thing that actually stood out was the action sequences, and these are very well choreographed.
The comedy, as you said, is horrible. I don't know why do people want to cram comedy in such movies. I don't get it. I need a kid, I need some comedy, I need a comedian, I need some random songs, dances with the main character. Kyun? Why do you need it?
Of course, I mean, you know by now that Dunes hai, Mad Max hai, and we will not deny that.
Right.
The execution for me is top notch.
अरे जब भी स्क्रीन पे आती है ना, she comes like toing toing. She has to do always do this somehow. I mean like क्यों कर रहे हो यार? मतलब I was missing the first few minutes of the movie. I'm like यार वो movie दिखाओ ना मेरे को. I want to see the Mahabharat piece of it because you have filmed it so well. It just shows Krishna for first few minutes.
Yeah.
यार such a great depiction of Krishna. I was mind blown. I was like यार मेरे को ये मूवी देखनी है. ये छोड़ो, ये हटाओ, ये sci-fi हटाओ. I mean I want to see the mythology right now.
Hello everyone, my name is Devlina Ray.
My name is Abhishek Singh.
Welcome back to a very fresh episode of Weekends with Us. This weekend is absolutely exciting. India has already won the T20 World Cup, and we also have some great movies lined up, which is due for release. No, which is already released in theaters. One is Kalki, another one is Quiet Place. And the Quiet Place review is something which is coming next, and Kalki review is something that we are doing now. Now, the beauty of this channel is we don't really do review as such, where we just tell you this is our verdict, but we as couple and individually also, we try discussing on what we feel individually. Sometimes our opinions match, sometimes our opinions don't, and we both agree to disagree. So in today's episode, we are also be going to do the same thing, and so we watched this big budget blockbuster movie.
Absolutely super hit, guaranteed success movie by Prabhas.
By Prabhas. But yes, one thing is that it is being talked about as Prabhas's movie, which I am going to be reserving my thoughts on.
Yeah.
It is actually not a Prabhas's movie.
Right.
If you actually watch the movie, by the end of it, you would feel that somebody else actually shines, and Prabhas not that much, at least for us.
For us, yeah.
Now, in a nutshell, what is this movie all about? He's going to explain. He's good at it. So, I will not be doing it. I am going to be coming in the discussion part.
Yeah. So, this is a post-apocalyptic story which shows the city of Kashi. And this is where sci-fi meets mythology. We get to see some aspects of Mahabharata, how it links to the story, which is, hundreds of years in the future. And then there are factions. There are rebels, there are villains who are like Nazis, they dress like Nazis, they salute like Nazis. And, this is like the crux of the movie where we are expecting this messiah to come in the future, and that is what everybody is going to fight about. By the way, there was this very funny article I saw in Mint. Okay, this article was hilarious, and I think they were also having a good time, great time writing this article. I'll put link in the description where they talk about how Kalki teaches you investments and finance. There are some very funny lines in this article. For example, I'll just read one. Okay. So, for example, it talks about one of the characters in the movie who is carrying in her womb the Messiah or the God which is to come, right? So, the writers give her just one job. This is the Mint article. Carry the baby to term while looking scared. Why? Because everyone else will save her. Small cap funds also come to us with that one promise of a big payday. I was like, what? Dude, okay. So really good job of capturing investments within this movie.
We are doing promotion of somebody else only.
Yeah.
Time for collaboration.
Collaboration.
Okay? We are doing that. Give us money. We are beggars. So first things first, I think we went to watch the movie with an apprehension and also with a lot of assumptions that probably this movie is going to leave us disappointed. But do you think?
No.
I mean, what was your reaction after watching?
Absolutely not. I mean, like, I was the biggest critic of the trailer that came around, but I think I liked the movie overall. Okay, yeah.
I think I actually agree to this.
Yeah.
And we were not really disappointed, barring few things, which we will talk about it. But let's go character by character.
Yeah.
So, Amitabh Bachchan, who plays the role of Ashwathama, actually nails the looks, nails the character, and his voice is, of course, nobody needs to really point it out again. There are actually good lengthy action sequences The action sequences are very well choreographed,
Right.
and we love watching, like, how, I mean, the strength and the
Yeah.
power that this particular character has. I mean, basically Ashwathama has, right?
Right.
So that is something I actually loved watching. He shines majorly in the second
Second
half, because that is when he also appears.
I mean, like, first of all, I was thinking that why haven't we cast Amitabh Bachchan as a giant before? He's already 6+ foot, right? I mean, casting him as a 8-foot god, I mean, that was something which was so awesome to see on screen. Like, this is basically Indian version of Thor or Hulk, whatever you want to, maybe a combination of both, right?
Hmm.
I mean, really great to see. I was so happy to see in the beginning when they show the opening scenes of Mahabharata, where we see
Yeah.
a de-aged version of Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh yes.
So, I mean, it's de-aged and the de-aging is done good. Okay, let me say this with a caveat that the good part is that when he's not speaking, the CGI holds really well.
Hmm.
Only when he starts speaking, you can see that, I mean, I'm not talking about the dubbing part of it. I'm saying that the lips are not moving naturally. I mean, like, the technology is not there probably yet, and that is okay, because even till few years back when Hollywood was doing it, in certain scenes in Star Wars, they bought some characters who were long dead, they CGI'd them, on the screen, and that was looking horrible, honestly. So I think, considering that, they have done a good job here.
I'll actually move on to the next,
Yeah.
because in CGI VFX we actually have a lot to
Yes.
speak, so we will probably keep that as a separate segment.
Right.
Although we will go to Prabhas directly.
Yes.
Prabhas is actually very average for me,
Yeah.
and his comedy does not shine, does not really work for me at all. I mean, comedy in such mythology sci-fi movies actually do not really sit well with me. That is number one.
Yeah.
Keeping aside the comedy, I mean, if we could have been able to keep the comedy aside, I think the first half could have been squeezed,
Yeah.
and the narrative could have been really tightened,
Yeah.
which did not happen, and the movie became quite lengthy.
Yeah.
Prabhas's character also had, I mean, action sequences, yes, but Amitabh Bachchan's action sequences were here, and his were here.
I think, see, number one, the comedy, as you said, is horrible. I don't know why do people want to cram comedy in such movies. I don't get it. I mean, like, you go watch Dune or Dune 2. Like, is there anybody who says, oh, you know what, I think this movie needs comedy, yeah? No, it doesn't need. I mean, if your movie is good, it has good action, good sci-fi elements, you don't need comedy at all. मतलब हिंदी या तेलुगु मूवी है तो I need a kid, I need some comedy, I need a comedian, I need some random songs, dances with the main character. क्यों? Why do you need it?
And this is something which I see.
Yeah.
We're really sorry,
Yeah.
but this is something we see very stereotypical in the South Indian movies.
Yeah.
We thought that from the trailer, वो जो ऐसा वाला जो एक sequence है, we will feel bad and
Yeah.
horrified about that.
Right.
Kind
But they're
of a
much
comedy,
worse.
but there are much worse than that, which comes in the first half. Again,
Right.
see, if a comedy is actually adding to the entire narrative, it
Yeah.
makes sense.
Right.
But when a movie is anyways like, tightly
Yeah.
gripping movie,
Right.
you don't really need to add comedy sequence just to lighten the mood. We don't need
Yeah.
our moods to be light. This is meant to be strictly professional and serious.
Yeah.
So better confine yourselves to the genre that you have actually picked up.
Exactly. There's so much bloat with Prabhas's character. He goes to some random side quest. He buys an egg for some reason. Then he's talking about this egg. I mean, I get it.
No, even his entry also. Like,
also.
sudden entries are all filled with comedy. Okay, I
Absolutely.
know that. मतलब comedy करता करता then that the person will start fighting like humongously. Which
Exactly.
is, I mean, I don't know, man. I mean, एक time के बाद ना वो same ही लगने लगता
बिल्कुल.
है.
I mean, like, it's very, I mean, as you rightly said, stereotypical, doesn't need here. I mean, and honestly, there have been movies which have not done this again, like RRR, for example, did not do bad comedy.
No, they did not actually.
Right? I mean, so you can make epic movies without putting in masala कि हाँ यार मतलब मसाला missing लग रहा है, थोड़ा सा डाल देते हैं मसाला. No, not required. His look was a combination of a lot of characters you have seen. I mean, a little bit of Thor, a little bit of Tony Stark. It's like amalgamated into one. Anyway, if you are a Prabhas's fan, you will anyway don't care about what we are saying right now. Okay, you are going to cheer, and a lot of people were cheering in this theater when he was on screen. So it's fine. I mean, like, if you are a big fan, it's absolutely fine. We did not like
It
it.
is our individual opinion.
Yeah.
एक दो बस एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस थे जहाँ पे एक्चुअली सीटी
Yes.
लोग मार रहे थे, एंड वी ऑल्सो अग्री टू दैट. his chemistry with Disha Patani
Oh.
was absolutely boring. There was no chemistry at all, and it was very unnecessary again. Again, there were a lot of comedy elements which were tried to be very forced onto us. It did not do its job. Disha Patani just did some kicks.
अरे यार जब भी स्क्रीन पे आती है ना she comes like toing toing. She has to do always do this somehow. I'm like क्यों कर रहे हो यार? But she and Tiger Shroff they are basically doing the same shit in every movie. जैसे एंट्री होती है कूदना चालू कर देते हैं ऐसे ऐसे क्या क्या चल रहा है? Okay, and there is a really bad scene. Okay, I mean, do we want to talk about the scene now or later?
बोल देते हैं अभी.
Okay, so there is a very bad scene. Okay, these guys go to the complex. So I talk about the complex in the beginning. It is like a pyramid kind of structure beneath which all these villains are there, and it is filled with rich folks who are having time of their life. There's greenery, food, water, wine, whatever you want. Everything is there inside. These guys, Disha Patani and Prabhas's character goes inside. Okay, yeah, it is such a bad sequence because they go in, then they venture onto this green place. There's a beach. They take off their clothes and Prabhas is fine because he's a guy, so he has underpants. Disha Patani somehow has a bikini beneath. Like she was ready कि भाई आ रहा है you know ये scene आ रहा है मुझे I need to wear something beneath. Oh, it was such a bad scene. Then somehow they just spot some random ship in a distance. They go there and they have dresses ready. Like he has a tuxedo on, she has like a very good dress on. I'm like क्या चल रहा है? एकदम फिटिंग के ड्रेस हैं मस्त वाले. दिशा पटानी के बाल वाले स्ट्रेट हो गए हैं एकदम पार्टी के लिए. क्या चल रहा है यार? Come on.
Again, that entire piece, Disha Patani was absolutely not required.
Not required.
And all these bullshit things were happening in the first half.
Yeah.
Which is why it was also pissing us off because we wanted to see the action sequences.
Exactly.
We wanted to see Ashwathama doing some of his job. And we were not even getting there. We were like wondering what is it? Like where is it headed to?
Absolutely. I was missing the first few minutes of the movie. I'm like, यार वो movie दिखाओ ना मेरे को. I want to see the Mahabharat piece of it because you have filmed it so well.
Yeah.
Just taking 2 minutes about Krishna. It just shows Krishna for first few minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, such a great depiction of Krishna. I was mind blown. I was like यार मेरे को ये movie देखनी है. ये छोड़ो हटाओ ये sci-fi हटाओ. I mean I want to see the mythology right now. Okay. First of all, Krishna is dark skinned. I was so happy to see it. No that blue skin and all. I know. I mean मुझे explain मत करो. मुझे पता है कि it depicts the universe. It depicts the blue sky. Come on. ही वॉज श्याम वर्ण. श्याम वर्ण का मतलब होता है सांवला रंग. सांवला रंग क्या होता है आप जानते हो राइट. ब्लू सांवला रंग नहीं होता है. सो आई वॉज सो हैप्पी टू सी कि ही इज एक्चुअली डार्क स्किन. इट शोन एंड ही इज शोन ऑल पावरफुल, ऑल इम्पोजिंग, ग्रेट हैवी वॉइस. अमेजिंग यार. वो मूवी दिखाओ मेरे को. सो आई वॉज मिसिंग इट डियरली व्हेन दिस बुलशिट वाज गोइंग ऑन इन द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द मूवी.
You know what, the character is played by Krishna Kumar Parthasarathi. I hope I'm telling the right name.
Right.
His name has Parthasarathi in it.
Oh wow, amazing. Amazing detail. Nice.
Then we have Deepika Padukone.
Yeah.
Deepika Padukone is in her same old poised Dukhi Atma character.
Yeah.
I really miss the Deepika Padukone which I had fallen in love with once.
Yeah.
Whether it was in Piku or Cocktail or even Love Aajkal for that matter.
Right.
We don't really see her in that kind of roles anymore. We actually want her to emote some strong emotions.
Yeah.
I'm tired of having those very poised, very aware of the camera, very conscious, very camera conscious kind of acting, where everything about the character was only about crying through eyes
Yes.
and face.
बस.
Now when we are only saying these things, I mean it looks probably कि oh my god, देखो पूरा इमोशन इमोट कर रही है पूरी आंखों से और फेस से. That is such a skillful thing to do.
Yeah.
But if that is the only thing you do in all your movies, right, then it becomes very monotonous for us as an audience.
बिल्कुल. फाइटर में भी वही कर रहे थे, इधर भी वही कर रहे हो. जवान पठान में जहाँ भी मतलब थे वहाँ भी वही कर रहे हो. हेयर स्टाइल इज नॉट चेंजिंग. सेम हेयर स्टाइल चली आ रही है, बस थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट कर दिया है. लाइक वही थोड़ा सा क्या है, बस ये फेस है हल्का सा साइड एंड आंखों में ग्लिसरीन, थोड़ा सा दुखी एंड डन. That your job is done as Deepika Padukone. ऐसे
Yeah.
कैसे चलेगा यार? I mean like you have to do a little more because this time she has a lengthier role. So you will now start noticing कि यार मतलब she is not adding anything to the movie. शी इज जस्ट अ डैमसेल इन डिस्ट्रेस, शी रियली डज नथिंग. एटलीस्ट बाकी मूवीज में थोड़े से एक्शन चल रहे थे,
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं थे, चलो कुछ नहीं, एक्टिंग नहीं कर रहे हो बट कम से कम एक्शन कर रहे हो. यहाँ तो वो भी नहीं है.
She's such a pivotal role because
बिल्कुल.
she's the amma here.
Absolutely.
And she's carrying the messiah of the future generation.
Yeah.
So such a pivotal character and all that you are doing is मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या कर रही हूँ.
हाँ,
तो-
मुझे ये करना चाहिए था बट मैं कर नहीं पाई.
तो
कब करोगे?
मतलब एटलीस्ट
हाँ.
सारा अली खान ने बोला था तुम मुझे तंग करने लगे हो. मुझे तो ये भी नहीं बोला कि तुम मुझे तंग करने लगे हो.
हाँ, yeah.
मतलब थोड़ा दिखाओ,
Yeah,
थोड़ा खुल के
exactly.
बात करो.
Yeah, either you act or your character has more agency, more action, more meat. If nothing is there, then it's just a placeholder. Like कोई भी feel कर सकता है उसको. Doesn't have to be Deepika Padukone, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, while speaking of Deepika's character,
Hmm.
I should definitely mention, I feel that there are a lot of cameos actually in this movie, all played by great actors. Some die, some still stay probably for the next sequel that is going to be made. But there is one particular character played by Mrunal Thakur, and I feel she could have been the perfect replacement of Deepika Padukone's character
Absolutely.
in this movie.
Yeah.
Because she did not have that much of a screen presence, Mrunal Thakur, probably 2-3 minutes,
Yeah.
probably maximum 5 minutes. But in that also, she emotes so much
Yeah.
in the character. I feel that, see, Deepika Padukone is only a brand for me right now.
Yeah.
I mean,
It has pretty much become a brand at this point. Like you are including her for the brand, for the name. It's not really adding anything to the movie. Cameos, I mean, we are not going to reveal all the cameos because the producers kind of said that please don't spoil it for others, and we are not going to spoil for you. But lot of good cameos, lot of good characters which are added here, and really good to see. I mean, it's like, ऐसे लग रहा है कि जिनको कॉल नहीं आया होगा ना, they'll be like, यार मेरे को कॉल नहीं आया. इतने सारे लोग गए कॉल, मेरे को कॉल नहीं आया.
मतलब 9 जॉब ओपनिंग्स था और उसमें भी मैं शॉर्ट लिस्ट की हुई.
Exactly. मतलब like somewhere people will be feeling bad कि why was I not called? Everybody is there in this movie. So yeah, good
There are
cameos.
very surprising cameos, so you will love it.
Yeah.
So go watch movie at least for watching the surprise cameos that are there. I would like to speak about Shashwat Chatterjee.
Mhm.
He's a punk. And I mean, he's playing the role of Commander Manas. I think this was the
Oh,
character
right,
name.
Yeah,
He kind of manages the complex.
yeah.
We will get to the details of it, but he's playing on the negative side.
Yeah.
And you might be knowing him as Bob Bishash of Kahani. Now, funny correlation that I'm going to draw.
Mm.
I think Shashwat Chatterjee actually, he gives me that first line manager kind of a feeling,
Yeah.
where he's answerable to his super boss, and because of that he will make his employees do anything but just give the deliverable by tomorrow.
Absolutely. मतलब रिव्यू होने वाला है मेरा यार. I need a deliverable क्या है, मेरे टेस्ट पे होना चाहिए by morning.
As on
वरना मेरी बजाई
yesterday.
जाएगी.
As on yesterday.
Yeah, absolutely.
लेकिन मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तुम मुझे बस बताओ. I
हाँ.
don't care how much effort you're putting.
Right.
Exactly, these are the lines from the movie.
हाँ, it is in the movie. वो लड़की मुझे चाहिए, अभी चाहिए. वरना
हाँ.
वो मेरी बजा देगा.
But now speaking about the super boss, we actually could not understand from the looks of the super boss
Yeah.
that who the person is, and it is actually played by Kamal Hassan.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that character is amazing.
Right.
The screen presence, the screen timing is lesser in this movie, but I think the plot has been set for him to shine and for him to have a lengthier screen presence in the next movie.
Pretty much, being set like a Thanos. Yeah, pretty much. Like, he is going to be the big bad of this entire series, and he is a good presence. Like, you see there are a bunch of looks of him you will see during the movie, and they are really imposing. Like, really imposing as a villain, the voice, the looks, and like, okay, I can see this guy being the bad guy for this movie.
So I think the one thing that actually stood out was the action sequences, and these are very well choreographed. Of course, we rated action sequence of Amitabh Bachchan above Prabhas's, and that we're going to stick to it.
Yeah.
Then there is a lot of sound cinematography.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, of course, there are a lot of inspirations from multiple movies which he will be giving you gyan on in another episode
Right.
completely dedicated to him. I'm not going to be party to that because मेरे knowledge में भी इतना नहीं है. But of course, I mean, you know by now that Dunes है, Mad Max है, and we will not deny that.
Right.
ठीक है. But the one thing is that जो inspired होते हैं, right? We have seen there are a lot of movies and songs getting inspired from Hollywood,
Yes.
but those have not really been executed well.
Right.
But here, on the contrary, the execution for me is top notch.
Yeah.
And of course, we can talk about, like, you know, the CGI of or the VFX of younger version of Amitabh Bachchan has not really been done well. But the fact that it has been done almost with
Yeah.
90% accuracy
Right.
speaks highly of the skills of the, like, you know, the team which were actually onboarded to do this entire movie.
So two things. One is, you're right. I mean, like the aesthetics are taken from multiple movies, and while watching the movie, I'm not going to name each one of them in this video, probably in second video. But yeah, you can spot. There is Dune, there is Mad Max, there is Guardians of the Galaxy, there is something from Iron Man 2, something from Thor, something from Elysium. Lot of inspiration from lot of movies. But इंस्पिरेशन लेने को तो आदि पुरुष में भी लिया था. आदि पुरुष के जो और दी वानर सेना बेसिकली, they are inspired from Planet of the Apes. Is it done well? No. Like, that is a bad execution. Here it's done well. So that is number one. Number two, action for the most part is really done well. Only in the first half. Again, I'm going to come back to first half versus second half. Second half was what stood out for me because there were very less problems with how the action was shot and edited. In the first half, when the Prabhas is fighting bunch of goons, it is somehow very choppy, the editing, you know. I don't know why though. Like, for example, I'm just giving a very random example, just try to understand. Maybe when you watch the movie you'll get it. For example, if he is punching someone, or maybe he has punched someone and, you know, falling through the air towards the ground,
Then there is no way you can go back.
no, not like that. It's just that the editing is not seamless. It's not like it's a continuous shot of him falling, and here it's like he punched through something, falling. Suddenly, the middle few microseconds are gone, and suddenly he's on the ground. The editing is choppy. Like, you will see when you watch the movie. So that was a little bit jarring for me. कि मतलब ये हो क्या रहा है? Why is the editing so? I don't know. Maybe is it because they were trying to shorten the movie? Because in the beginning also, when the credits and logos are coming in, it's like
Nanosecond.
Jao. Yeah, exactly. So maybe it's the editing where they've tried to shorten the movie, but it really makes the first action, the Prabhas's action specifically, very jarring. But later on, all the actions are done really, really well. Small complaint about CGI. Some fire effects are not done well for some reason. You know, whenever there is a fire, you know, there is a ship which is burning, and then Deepika is walking through fire at some point in time. The fire effects for me were like, यार ये थोड़ा जम नहीं रहा है, थोड़ा PlayStation type दिख रहा है. But yeah, every other graphics is done really well. Now talking about songs and background music. So background music is done well. Some parts are taken from, again, Dune. That whole and that is taken from Dune. But yeah, I mean, other than that, the background music is done really well. And songs, yeah, I cannot comment. I mean, we'll take our opinion, you know, keep our opinion to ourselves, because it's probably in Telugu and have been dubbed in Hindi. So I cannot say कि यार अच्छा है बुरा है.
But I had, like, you know, one. I mean, I don't know, like, how to digest it. There was one Telugu song getting played at the start. I think it was Telugu. Please pardon our knowledge or lack of it. There was, I mean, just first जो fighting sequence था प्रभास का, there was a mashup of a South Indian song.
Okay.
It happens. There is a pause.
Yeah.
And then there's a Diljit Dosanjh song getting played.
एकदम मस्त.
It was a very big disassociation for me. I was not able to relate to it.
Yeah.
It felt like इससे मैंने साउथ इंडियन ऑडियंस को कर लिया और यहाँ से मैंने नॉर्थ इंडियन ऑडियंस को कैप्चर कर लिया. बीच में से ना कुछ गोंडोगोली हो गया.
Absolutely. Well, it is not mashing together. I mean, see, good props to movie for making it a pan-India movie. You will see everybody, you know, from the Punjabi songs to South Indian actors to South Indian songs, Northeastern folks, tons of people.
Africans.
Yeah, foreigners are also there. Like, you know, so they've tried to make it as global and as pan-Indian as possible.
As inclusive.
Yeah, lot of, you know, people have been, you know, brought together.
I mean, a lot of hiring had happened.
Yeah, right.
काफी लोगों को नौकरी मिली है इसमें.
Exactly. Yeah. So I think yeah. So I mean overall, as a movie, it really elevated in the second half, and you may have guessed it by now. It is a universe. All right, everybody's
Hmm.
making universe. Why shouldn't they? Honestly, I have a little apprehension when anyone tries to say I am making a universe.
Why so?
So when someone says a sequel is coming, I'm like, "हाँ ठीक है, bring it on. I want to see the sequel." When they say it's a universe, what that means is now any of these cameos, characters could have their standalone movies,
Yeah.
right? So point is right. I mean, it becomes unnecessarily bloated. I mean, see, Marvel could nail it for few years. For 7, 8, 9 years, they could somehow hold it together. You know, कि ठीक है, this is the universe that we are part of. You would know where Marvel is today. There was dark universe where people were trying to make horror movies. These different monsters coming together, making individual movies, did not succeed. DC did not succeed. Fox, X-Men did not succeed. Lot of universes have failed. I don't think it needs a universe. It just needs good sequels upon sequels, right? So I hope they are able to keep it together. Is what I think.
I have a slightly different perspective here.
Mhm.
I feel that they can actually make, maybe they have a vision that
Yeah.
they can make
Mhm.
I mean movies based on certain characters as well. Maybe on Arjuna, maybe
Mhm.
on Karna,
Mhm.
and those could actually have the actual mythological
Yeah,
angles
yeah,
that we were missing, which we
right.
saw in the starting clips,
Yes.
and we were hoping for more.
Mhm.
And maybe that is the reason why actually important and like
Mhm.
recent known heroes or like heroines are actually taken for those
Mhm.
main characters.
Mhm.
So yeah, of course, but I
Mhm.
think making a universe could mean a lot of hopes getting built up,
Yeah, yeah.
but I'm not really unhappy with that
हाँ,
approach.
I'm apprehensive. I mean, like
Hmm.
because of seeing so many universes failing miserably, and वही कह रहा हूँ कि मतलब Marvel is the only exception to this. So that's why I'm a little scared. Like, how will this pan out? I hope they do make good movies, and especially Mahabharat. भाई दिखाओ मुझे. I want to see. I
Hmm.
really want to see. I mean, I've been craving for it even in RRR when I saw the
Action sequence.
Ram Charan basically dressing up as Ram.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been craving for those kind of Ram and Krishna depictions. Yeah, दिखाओ मेरे को. I really want to see those kind of movies.
Hmm.
Just quickly, what the fuck moments in this movie? So movie is good. We have established that. So what I'm going to talk about are just few things which really bugged me. One we have already talked about, which is the Disha Patani, and Prabhas going to complex. क्या point था? I have no clue. Okay, like this, that was the single most idiotic moment in the entire movie. I don't get it. The second was this kid. There is a kid, right? I mean, because मैं बोल रहा था ना कि मसाला चाहिए तो थोड़ा सा कॉमेडी चाहिए और एक बच्चा तो चाहिए ही चाहिए,
Hmm.
just to engage the kids in the audience. यार इतना डिस्कवरी क्वेश्चंस पूछता है ना, जस्ट लाइक अ सेल्स पर्सन, लाइक वी डू विद आवर कस्टमर्स. क्या कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, तुम कहाँ से आए हो? Shut up. Okay. I get it. But basically what the kid is trying to do is to explain to audience.
Hmm.
It's explanation. You're trying to explain the plot to the audience via this kid. It get annoying after a while.
And they also, I think, try to add, I mean, they forcibly try to add a cute element.
Yeah.
We saw that in Jawan movie also.
Yes.
I mean, that kid character again wasn't really necessary. And these kid characters are always the ones who are like projected as extra chirpy also.
Right.
Not necessary.
Yeah, exactly. One was, Deepika's we talk about. So Deepika's lack of urgency or agency, like both, I will say. During the entire movie, she has so many points where she could help, even as a normal human.
Yeah.
You don't have to be a superhero, you just have to be a normal human to help. She doesn't do anything in the movie.
The world is dying to
Right.
save her.
Exactly.
And what she's doing is,
Yeah, she will just sit on the, floor, be like, कुछ तो करो, भागो यार, कम से कम दो टांगे तो हैं, कम से कम you can pick yourself up and start
she's
running.
pregnant.
Okay, fine. Oh, yeah, pregnancy. Okay. Now, not a conspiracy theorist. We are not. Okay. But you tell me, is it not so convenient that there is a movie about her being this mother who is going to give birth to the Messiah, to the God? And incidentally, at the same time, while the movie is getting released, she is also pregnant. Is it not good publicity? So we are not one of those folks who are questioning whether or not she is pregnant.
I'm
Nahin.
questioning in my mind.
In her mind, like in Deepika's mind, she was dating Ranveer. in her mind. But yeah, but point is, it is very convenient timing. I have a problem with the timing, not with whether or not she is pregnant. But yeah,
I had a serious doubt. I mean, her pregnancy. I mean,
Yeah.
in the movie,
right.
it is shown. I mean, the
Hmm.
prosthetics are really good.
Hmm.
What if it is the same prosthetics artist who is doing the pregnancy
Could be,
belly for
could
her
be.
even now?
Yeah, yeah. Could
I mean,
be.
it looked very realistic.
Right, right. Yeah, and lastly, just the aesthetics of it when they show Kashi. So when they show these poor folks within the community, like who are in Kashi, like you don't see them as Indian poor people. None of them are in lungis or chapri shirts or colored hair like they are in real life.
बहुत future forward है
बहुत
ये.
future forward
तब
है.
हम लोग लुंगी नहीं पहनेंगे.
They look like homeless people from US, okay, like it is shown in Mad Max or Blade Runner or any of those movies. They look very much like that. You don't believe कि यार ये India के poor लोग हैं. That was my only problem with it. So yeah,
You are forgetting the year.
to 2898.
Yeah.
It's global.
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't wear lungis anymore. They don't get manufactured. Only shorts.
Yeah. About CGI, one problem I had was that it's overly complicated. Okay, what I mean by overly complicated is just spoiling one or two things, not much. Some of it is already in the trailer. Now, when you see the character of Bob Bishosh, what is the name of the person?
Shashwat Chatterjee.
Right.
Commander Manas.
So when Commander Manas comes on screen, for some random reason, they have created a saber tooth as a pet. Okay, there is a saber tooth. I'm like, not tiger, not leopard, not lion. They chose a saber tooth. कहाँ से लाया यार, मतलब where did you get DNA from? Like there is no DNA that exists anywhere, but ठीक है, maybe you have the technology to do somehow. And you took an animal which is known for basically failing at evolution. Okay, those teeth, जो दांत है ना वो दिखाने के ज़्यादा होते हैं, काम में कम होते हैं. But anyway, point is like, why saber tooth? But because it looks good as a CGI character, that's why. Right? Just as a complication. When you see these laser guns, no point, doesn't make any sense at all. Where you are lacking in energy in a universe where energy is so less, right? Why would you have laser guns? Give them normal bullets, yaar. Metal bhar ke hai. You can make as many bullets as you can. If Mad Max has taught you anything, you can have a bullet farm. You cannot have a laser farm. Okay, that is not easy to do. So I did not understand laser. And
even Prabhas's character
Yeah.
also had something in the feet, right?
that was very much Guardians of the Galaxy. I'll come to that video, in the next video. So that was very much Guardians of the Galaxy. Again, doesn't make sense. And finally, that lift, good to look at. That human figure, taking these people from here to there. I'm like, क्या point है यार, एक lift बना दो. That lift can very well just built with a rope or a chain. You have this entire human figure taking just 3 people up from here to here.
I don't agree with this. I actually liked the depiction of a human hand carrying and
Yeah.
taking you to the ninth
It's
floor.
symbolic. It's symbolic, but it's overly complicated. So CGI, while
It's
done
not
well,
complicated.
It
It is a creative mind. You can have
Yeah.
creative differences.
right?
But I like that. I actually wanted something like that, and he's criticizing of that. Yeah.
No.
Hope you like this fun-filled discussion / review of this movie. In a nutshell, go and watch it.
Absolutely.
It is any which is going to be doing the numbers. You can go ahead and contribute it. Any which is because this is going to be a cinematic universe. You should definitely be knowing how the movie starts. And what else? Not really sure when the next sequel is going to be coming in.
Yeah.
Is next sequel not a good term? Like sequel is any which is next.
Nice.
All right. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next. Bye.